Hello fellas, today I want to install Windows on this computer, but there is a problem. Windows can't be installed on this drive, Partition 1. This is the reason. The selected disk is of the GPT partition inside. Okay, this is how we are going to solve the problem. Just close it. From this window, click repair your computer. Let's wait for a while. And here it is, the troubleshoot options. Click on it and go to command prompt. Here you need to type a set of commands and just follow my commands. First I type Diskpart. Wait a moment. Okay, now this one. Now from here you can see the list. Let me type list disk. So at the moment we have two disks here. One is the hard drive, another one is the my pen drive, which Windows is loaded in. I'm selecting select disk 0, which is the hard drive, and now I'm typing clean. Wait for a moment. Yeah, it is succeeded. Okay, exit and exit. Okay, so we are back. Click next. Okay, click accept. Next. Custom installation. Okay. Now there's no problem. It is solved. Thank you very much.
Audio Jungle.